How to get $120 Ray-Ban promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Ray-Ban promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Ray-Ban. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $65 off, 20% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Ray-Ban. You'll be directed to the official website of Ray-Ban. Now you can browse through the items, log into your account and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount in your order. Likewise, make sure to try out all the offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of amazing offers and deals. Lastly, go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for Ray-Ban. This way you can easily get up to $120 Ray-Ban working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.